Hi guys, CC Carter here. Just wanted to update you on the real estate market. The October numbers are in, and I can't wait to show you what I've noticed in this market. Okay, so first of all, this is for the city of Jacksonville, but it's a good indication of where the market is throughout the six-county Jacksonville area. All right, first of all, we're seeing the number of listings, number of active listings, kind of holding steady right around 3,500 listings. And that's sort of been consistent since August. August, September, October, we're seeing about the same numbers there. Listing prices, this is the sold median list price is in green, and the sold median sale price is in black. And now you'll see that for June, July, August, those numbers were one and the same. But then we see sort of a breakaway here, and I'm going to explain more of that as we go down to the sold to list ratio. The absorption rate. Okay, the absorption rate is if no other houses hit the market, how long would it take for the current inventory of homes to sell? And we are continuing this upward trend, not as steep in the past several months as it was going from May, June, July, August, but we are still seeing an upward trend. We went from in at, I guess, the lowest point, 1 month's worth of inventory back in March, and it's just steadily increased to now we've got nearly 2.5 months of inventory. Still firmly a seller's market, but that means more opportunities for buyers, and we'll get into that in just a moment. Now, the sold to list ratio. This black line represents the sale to original list price ratio, and this red line represents the sale to list price ratio, the current list price as opposed to the original list price. Now you'll see that up here in April and May, those numbers were the same. You see the red and the black line are joined at that point. But then starting in June, you start to see sort of the black line breaking away from the red. And what this represents are price reductions. And we're seeing more price reductions. We've been seeing more price reductions in this fourth quarter, third and fourth quarter. And so that trend seems to be continuing. We continue to see more and more space between the sale to list price ratio and the sale to the original list price ratio. And so that's something to consider too. Lots of price reductions, particularly with new construction homes. And we'll talk about that in a moment. Days on market, since our low back in July, where we had just under 28 days on market as our average days on market, that has steadily increased. And so we're now at almost 45 days on market as far as our average days on market goes. So not only are there more homes on the market, they're staying on the market longer, and we're seeing more price reductions. This is good news for buyers and investors. And so what I'm seeing is I'm seeing a lot of particularly builders who are coming up on the end of the year, right? So they've got these homes that are finished that they have not been able to sell. And because of that, we're seeing steep price reductions, like $20,000, $30,000 price reductions on their inventory homes that are quick move in. They're ready to close. They are finished. And they are offering huge discounts. They are offering to pay all closing costs. They're offering tens of thousands of dollars in upgrades and incentives. So it's a good time to buy a second home, to buy a rental property, to buy an Airbnb property, or to just buy another property to have for family, or a second home, or a vacation home, or whatever your choice is, whatever your desire is. This is a good opportunity. And this opportunity probably will not still be there in January. So if you've been considering entering the investor market, now is a very good time to do it. When you've got all these builder incentives, buy a brand new construction home and rent it quickly, rent out each room individually, whatever you desire to do. Build your investment portfolio now while the market is hot and ripe for that. So give me a call, shoot me a text, send me a DM, email me, send a carrier pigeon, smoke signals, however you can reach me, because we need to get on this. We need to jump on this while we can so that we can start building our investment portfolio. Okay.